Welcome to Evolution Theory, and in today's episode, we will be debunking evolution. So, you might be wondering, how am I gonna debunk something that's true? Well, because it's not true. So listen to this, alright? So, monkeys, they have a lot of human genes. So, this is a little monkey. You can see its tail and its big ears, so that's a little monkey there, and it has a lot of human genes, but it has 99% human DNA, like 97 to 99% human DNA, so pretty convincing that we came from monkeys, right? Wrong. Well, although a banana doesn't actually have 60 DNA, it does have 60% genes. 60% human genes. So this is a banana, and it has 60% human genes, which is equivalent to like 2% human DNA, which I know isn't really much compared to 99%, but hey, 2% for a banana is really a lot. So now, we're connected through a lot of different animals, like probably almost every animal shares a little bit of human DNA. Like maybe a bear. I don't know how to draw a bear. Oh yeah, that's not that bad. That looks a little more like an anteater. Let's say an anteater. Because that looks more like an anteater. This anteater, he probably has some of human DNA. This is bear that I'm gonna draw. It's a little bear. Wait, why am I drawing a nose here? It's a little bear there. It's a little mouth. And there, we got a bear. So, it's a little mouth. Okay, so that's a little bear. It probably has some human DNA. So yeah. And then, let's just say this is a dog. A dog probably has a little bit of human DNA. I don't know. But, anyways, why would there still be monkeys today? Or apes, whatever, if we already evolved from them. The monkey, and then that monkey dies, but it's evolved into this monkey. That monkey dies, but now it's evolved into this one. So where are these two? How do those monkeys still exist? Why wouldn't every monkey just be a human? And now, there's probably some scientific reason, but science isn't always that trustworthy. Now we're going on to why, it's probably true, because, think about it. The Earth is billions of years old. Or is it? Because this is Earth right here. It's Earth. And now, is it really that old? Because the Earth, obviously, carbon dating always isn't 100% right, so how can we trust it always? Now, I know what you're thinking. What about, stars? Well, I don't really know, but let's just say there's Earth. I'm sure scientists in the future will be like, wow, Earth was 6 quintillion years old, even though it wasn't. People today are saying it's 4 billion. And people also are saying the universe is 13.8 billion. What do you mean the universe is 13.8 billion? That makes no sense. So this is the universe 13.9 billion years ago. It didn't exist. The Big Bang, kaboom, so it's the Big Bang. Where did the Big Bang happen? If it created space, where did the Big Bang happen? Not making much sense, is it? Well, now we're getting into panspermia, a different type of, evolution. So there's an alien race on here. There's aliens on here, okay? Aliens on the meteor. The meteor right here crashes into Earth. And then the life on the meteor becomes monkeys, and that life becomes humans. So we're related to aliens, which isn't true. That's not true. Now, you might be wondering, evolution has been proven. Has it? That's why it's called the evolution theory. It can't be proven because there's evidence pointing towards the other way. So the monkey, there's so many things. Why would we evolve that? Like, how did the monkeys get out of the water? Like, the monkeys go out of, well, not the monkeys. Bacteria starts evolving, then goes out of the water. So land, water. How does it get on land? It dies immediately on land. So, now let's get back. So another one comes along, it dies immediately on land too. So how would it have the time to evolve into something that could survive on land? Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode, and I think that's a wrap for today's episode, and we're gonna get more on that. Gonna get a lot more on this. Possibly a whole second season. Well, without further ado, that was fun, but,